Happy day, children. In this session, we are going to learn Chapter 5, the Southern Plateau, and the topic is location. What do you mean by plateau? Plateau is a flat area higher than the land around it. A plateau is a flat, elevated landform that rises sharply above the surrounding area. Here you can see the picture. It's the plateau, here's a plain, and this area is called plateau. In this map, you can identify the plateau region. This is the plateau region. Now we will see the location. To the south of the northern plains lies the southern plateau, and it is made up of igneous rocks and is an irregular triangle in shape. The Aravalli Hills lie in the northwest and the Rajmahal Hills in the northeast. This plateau extends from the south of the northern plains down to the last point of India, which is Kanyakumari. This plateau consists of two parts, that is Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. The north is the Central Highlands, here you can see, and south is the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands, the part of Peninsular Plateau lying to the north of the Narmada River, covering a major area of the Malwa Plateau, is known as the Central Highlands. The extent of Central Highlands is from Vindhya to Aravalli Hills. The slope of Central Highlands is from southwest to northeast. Let us see the boundaries of the Central Highlands. They are bounded by Aravalli Range on the northwest, Ganga Plains on the north, and Vindhya Range on the south. The Central Highlands are wider in the west but narrower in the east. They are divided into two parts. The Malwa Plateau, that is the northwestern part, the Chota Nagpur Plateau, the northeastern part. The Malwa Plateau lies in the north of the Vindhyas. It is covered with black soil which favors the cultivation of cotton, sugarcane and oil seeds. Some rivers like the Chambal, Betwa and Son flow through this region and join the river Ganga. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is a plateau in eastern India which covers much of Jharkhand state as well as adjacent parts of Orissa, West Bengal, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. The Chota Nagpur Plateau, drained by Damodar River, is extremely rich in minerals and has large deposits of coal mines. The Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt and granite rocks, having a region of highlands with typically vast stretches of flat areas on top like a table known as tabletop. Deccan Plateau is a home to a large number and variety of habitats, and it covers most of the parts of southern and central India. The western boundary of the Deccan Plateau is formed by the Western Ghats and eastern boundary is formed by the Eastern Ghats. Most of the areas of the Indian state of Karnataka and Maharashtra and some parts of the state of Andhra Pradesh form the Deccan Plateau. Thank you, children.